What is going on, guys? Today we're going to do a little cosmetic change to the R32. We're going to wrap the roof black because for some reason it makes cars look shorter. Not lower to the ground, but just overall height just makes them look a little shorter. And when I park next to other cars, because I don't have coilovers, I look like a monster truck. So I'm hoping this helps a little bit and it should look pretty good. So here's the Skyline, and here is my thinking with how we're going to do this. We have this body line right here. It doesn't quite go all the way back, but it's pretty close. So it might look a little weird in that part. But we're gonna run knifeless tape along both sides of this body line and then lay the wrap down and then do the tape, and that should get us a nice clean edge. It's kind of hard to tell because the car's in the shade right now, but you can see how it's got that like sunspot area that's all along the roof. So we're gonna sand it down, which shouldn't be too bad because it's all flat. When we sanded the trunk and the wing down, we used 220 to get the really deep areas, and then we finished it off with 400. So I'm just gonna do 400 across the whole roof and we should be good to go. My only experience with wrap is when we wrapped my wing and trunk. The trunk was actually really easy. The wing was not easy at all. My friend that helped me isn't going to be helping me today, unfortunately. But if you guys do need your car wrapped and you're in SoCal, hit up R1 Wraps. He does an amazing job, and they came out looking real nice. People who don't wrap cars or watch videos about wrapped cars or anything don't know some of the things, like how you follow body lines to hide the seams. I got super lucky with this color because this is a regular silver metallic, but it matches the factory paint really nicely. Here's the wrap, a 2080 just metallic black. I didn't know that the 2080 has a film over. That's pretty cool. The thing that sucks about black is it's really hard to get the actual color show up on camera, but it's just like a regular black and there's a little metallic flake in it. The only part of this car that I've wrapped by myself is this little section here. I had 2 lines of rust here from the license plate clips and it looked super ugly, so I just put a piece real quick. But I mean, this bumper is not in the greatest shape anyways. I really need a GTR bumper, but as you can see, it's not perfect by any means, but in pictures you can't tell because you're never really up super close. At least I try not to get super close because the bumper looks ugly anyways. So we got the tape on, followed the body line. Now it's the moment of truth, see if we can get this done. So it's the next day, let's just check how the wrap is held up. Looking good, I'm not seeing bubbles. As we let it cure, there were some areas that was getting a little bit of bubbles. You just have to like press on them and like wiggle your finger and they go away. So what I wanted to do is, you guys can obviously tell that I didn't wash it yesterday. It's still filthy. So I'm gonna wait until it cools down and then we'll just give it a little wash. So the day's coming to an end, so we're gonna wash the car. As you can see, it needs it really, really badly. But I'm excited to play with the foam cannon. so glad I got a foam cannon. They're so cool. So the wrap survived its first wash. So that's a very good sign. I'm not seeing any like edges getting peeled up. So looks like we're good to go, but it looks so good. Like it's like a mirror finish. It's really nice. I'm really happy with it. So that is where we're going to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Check out some of my other videos and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.